No panic zone. So these came out this year, right? The 112?
Like 6 months ago.
Damn.
I think I'm one of the first ones to have it, bro.
Bro, yeah, I've never seen anyone have it. Does it ride like an 85 or like a 125? Or between?
It's in between, 100%.
Between? Got a weird ass gas can.
That's so that bitch don't dump out on me.
Yeah. I know how that be.
Hey, look, my guy MotoBroo about to get on the damn bike. Yo, you gotta get you some merch, bro. You gotta get you some merch, bro.
My bad.
You gotta get you some merch, bro. But shout out to Miami Ski for the merch.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Big
MIA.
Ski, you know what I'm saying? Show love to everybody.
Brad just haven't hooked me up with a shirt. That's why I don't got one, man.
I got you.
Damn, that take a lot of gas.
There's a gallon right here. This shit's empty as shit, bro.
Oh,
Come, everybody rides the damn bike.
no, yeah, I feel you.
Wait, so your first bike was a 125 too, right?
My first two-stroke was a 125, yeah.
Let me see you two-stroke that, bro.
Maybe, we're gonna see what happens. Alright, we're on the 112. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't mix the gas or something. He's stressing me out, bro. I'm trying to shred. Bro, this feels like a 125 mixed with like an 85. Yeah, so this is the 112 right here, Braap's, no panic zone. Y'all know the vibe. Alright, I don't want to blow the bit up. What? Dude, it feels just like the 125, really? But a little bit different and smaller.
Yeah, it's a lot lower. But 125 is like a 450.
It's not as like powerful as an 85. Yeah. You know the 85s are like ding.
Like, it has more like the top end.
Yeah. I like it a lot. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get one.
I told him I'm not getting rid of the bike. This is my favorite bike. I'll blow it up, rebuild it, put like a 125 kilo. How much oil?
Yeah, that thing be dripping oil.
Yeah, bro.
The gas come out of there too, or no?
Nah, just the oil. Gas is on the bottom. Gas
you don't run the gas line back there?
Gas doesn't bother.
It don't make you slip? To each their own.
Yeah. Oh, the 125 does, right?
Bro, the 125
is dumps gas. This one doesn't.
Dude, it dumps the whole tank out.
Nah, this one only dumps like neutral, and that's why it's right here. Finish it, hook me up.
Is it come like big wheeled like this?
This is done.
Oh, this is all it is?
All I did to it was grab it.
No panic zone.
Go out, bro.
You crazy. Hey, that's the 112?
Yeah.
Alright. Bro, the 112 be hitting, dog. Shoo. Shoo. Money. Yo, why do you have a snake?
Why not?
Is that like from your crib?
What?
Is that like, did you find it on the ground or?
Oh.
Like you rode all the way from your crib with it? Is he nice?
Yeah, he's chilling.
Probably doesn't want me to touch his head. Bro, we got a snake, dude. What a goon, dude. Just chilling with the snake. The snake's like, yo, what the hell is going on? Yeah, you crazy, bro. Around his neck. Dude, what in the hell, bro? When we got a snake on him. Let's see, we got Randy out here on his Suzuki. I don't know why I got his Suzuki, but he's on his Suzuki. Even though I love Suzuki, so, to be honest. But for dirt bikes, it ain't really my thing. To be honest, it don't feel that bad. I like the YZ just because it's way smooth. Yeah. People are always hating on the Suzukis, but it really ain't that bad.
I don't mind it.
No, yeah. What's good?
Good.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Good, let's go. The bike looking clean. Race fuel, right?
Yeah, I can still smell it.
I don't know. It's gone though. I don't have any in here anymore.
No, it's still in it.
It's still, yeah, running through.
It's the lubrication in it.
Ah. Bro, I'm trying to be like, ow, fuck! I'm trying to be like Jamboro and give her a little swerve. You see that? Hey! I seen you swerving the stand up and then I tried it and I almost died. Dude, I keep burning my leg, dude. This goddamn exhaust keeps burning it because like when I shift lock normally it's fine. I don't really hit it, but if I try to go for like the major shift lock, my freaking calf hits the exhaust and it burns, bro.